Welcome! In this demonstration, we'll walk through how to complete a deposit at the ATM. Begin by tapping the screen once. Avoid double tapping, as that may cause the system to skip or reset. Next, select the option for card transactions. Hold your card at a slight angle when scanning to ensure the machine reads it correctly. Once your card is recognized, enter your personal identification number, then select Continue. You will now see the list of available services. For this example, we'll select Deposit. When the green light appears, insert the money into the slot as shown on the ATM screen. Please ensure the money is not creased or it will not be processed. Once the cash is processed, confirm the amount on screen. Then select Continue to complete the transaction. Thank you for using our ATM service.